What is up, Chewy crew? I hope you guys are doing well. I think we're going to have a fun video. I don't know how long it'll be, but I think it'll be fun. So, the last few seasons, Manic Panda has actually been playing his own account. He's actually been doing good. Right now, he'll be joining us in just a moment. He doesn't know I'm making this video. But I wanted to go through and maybe look at his attacks, watch the way Manic Panda plays versus Captain Chewy. This is my son versus me. But his log doesn't look bad. I'm actually fairly impressed. He's rocking the 3 ER. He has not been doing too bad. I'm very curious to see what his strategy has been for these last 10 battles. I don't know. Maybe we'll learn something from Manic Panda. I don't know, maybe not. His tech tree, looking at his tech tree for the first time. So his riflemen are tick 4, alright. He's got level 3 Hidden Warriors. He went a shield up. He's got his flares. 3. He's got his heavies. Okay. Very interesting. I mean, for the log to look the way it looks, I mean, he's almost hit rank 11. He did hit gold last season, so I expect him to get gold this season. See if he can figure it out. I mean, he asks questions, right? All right, so let's watch this first one. He's got the win. He only finished 75% of it. It must have been harder. What was the strategy here? Okay. 4 boats of warriors and riflemen.
2 days of fun for one great price. Buy online only for just $49.99. I thought I had things figured out.
Holly graduated from college, worked as a teacher, was married, and living well. Or so it seemed.
A year after I got a divorce, someone casually offered me something to keep me from being
tired. And then just let him figure it, and they fizzled out on the top. Okay.
I use meth every day.
But that's
let's see what your opponent did.
Holly's story. Visit naturalrescuemission.org/Polly to see her story of recovery.
Some Manic Panda rocking this.
To choose to live for the Lord.
Compact. This guy had brick and everything. Guess this guy was hoping for a split hit. Interesting. Uh-oh, guys. We're gonna get caught. Manic Panda's on his way. Alright, let's see why did he lose this one? Interesting. Hi, Manic. So we were going here looking over some of your attacks. Thought we'd talk about them. This one you fizzled on. I like the 1 boat of warriors you did.
That's because there's only 1 defense. I figured 1 boat would be enough. Everyone on that side
died.
I did the medkit because I'm kind of panicked.
You did the medkit because you kind of panicked. Well, you are manic. So, Manic Panic is almost the same as Manic Panda. I was saying your log doesn't look bad. Not impressive.
I mean, I just got flares, so it's a little better.
So yeah, you just unlocked. We were looking at your unlocks too. You just unlocked flares. I was curious on your choices. Rank 4 rifleman. You haven't upgraded your rifleman yet. You want to tick up on there? I'm just curious on. You play how you want to play it.
Yeah, I've been focusing on defenses.
More defenses? Yeah. You might want to upgrade those flames then. Your next, you got one to collect. What was your plan there? Are you saving? Because you're almost to rank 11. And if you win like 4 more battles, you might hit it.
Yeah, I was trying to get up, and then collect all the stuff, and then, yeah.
Huh.
I go crazy with defenses.
Let's watch another one. What'd you do on this one? You just let him clear one side, then go around. Oh no, you actually flared. Okay.
This is the first match I got flares.
This is your first match with flares. Cool.
The flares don't last long enough, though.
So you think maybe you need to...
Upgrade flares from this.
Yeah.
And sometimes I have to do like 3 flares, maybe 4, just before the troops get to it.
I mean, that was a great attack, Manic. That was a great attack. Wouldn't you guys say so? Well, let Manic Panda know what you think. I'm proud of him. You use flares on this one too?
Yeah, before.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You got enough GPE to run around?
Yeah.
Okay.
I do need to get the extra GPE at the bottom next screen. I just don't like the Simos because they
The
like,
CMOs?
whatever they're called. Because they still shoot troops while your troops are invisible.
Yeah, they do. What did you do for this one? Let him finish some more of his food. And, so you try to avoid the mines here. Then you flare it up to the top. I mean, you pretty much missed all the mines. The only thing he's hitting you, like you said, is the CMO. That messed with you though. Did you? I don't remember. Did you get this one?
I don't remember. I have bad memory.
Yeah, you did. You won this one. Did you win it on? Oh, I think they fizzled. You didn't get that one up there. Good kid. Interesting. So, what are you wanting to do next? Are you
don't know.
You're wanting to save until you get to iron? You think you can hit iron?
Maybe
using your new flare method?
Well, maybe get up to 10 and the chest and collect those chests. So I have a bunch of stuff to work with.
Well, how are you doing this? You doing all rifleman? You doing all? What are you doing?
What I've been doing is wait, no, wrong way. It's supposed to be rifling at the bottom.
When you're holding it, hold it like this. Keep your hands off the side. You'll make the music loud. You gotta hold it awkward. Dang, boy, you added sriracha to that. Boy, that's spicy. That's a spicy meatball.
Hang on. Look at this one.
Hold on, I'm down over here. Well, you could just send one boat of warriors up there.
I could probably just send a boat of riflemen.
Warriors are faster. And just flare it.
It's up there.
You have to flare one more time. That flare's short.
What's happening, y'all? It's Anthony Edwards. I listen to hip hop music all
No,
day.
I'm good.
The open earbuds are great. You want to hear the music?
Okay,
but
and
you also
I'll
gotta be the
just-
coach as he telling you.
Now,
Oh, no. Wrong thing.
oh god,
I hit
reflare.
Open earbuds make something top tier. I want it up. I don't want anything falling out my
Oh, I
ears.
messed up
It's funny,
badly.
everything
Yep.
tends to
I
start to
messed
fall.
up.
They
Very
do a great
badly.
job of just sitting right there. Check out Bose.com for more.
Why?
Don't try to drive until you click it
Come
in.
on.
Your life is precious, so don't.
Claire, I don't know, do something.
Tennessee's gotta buckle up, my friend. Buckle up, my friend.
Brought to you by the Tennessee Highway Safety Office, a division of the Tennessee Department of Safety and
I don't think you got enough now.
I don't think I got enough
Okay,
troops.
this one didn't happen. Scratch
Uh,
this one. Move to the next one. Move.
It's that misclick.
Yeah, that misflare got you.
That's what they're doing. Yeah, I don't think tanks is the way to go because they're like way
Yeah.
too slow.
But he did beat you.
Because of the misclick. It's because of the stupid misclick.
Well, I guess we gotta wait for the tanks to finish. I don't want no more of that. That's spicy.
I didn't realize how much I added. I added like half of what was left.
It made it taste great.
I didn't think I added that much.
Ooh, it's spicy.
Imagine somehow he still one of his troops die. That'd be so dumb.
The sniper tower takes out the tanks in one shot. All right, try again. I think you got this one.
Brain work.
I won't say anything. I'll just let you figure it out. Just watch. I'll try anyways. It's hard. It's hard for Chewy.
Ooh, that's okay. You know what? I'm gonna go up here.
Getting the free clear.
There's always those like few little troops that don't get the crystal shield. I don't need the shield. Save gunboat energy. The warriors will take care of that. They slowly heal themselves. Ooh. Oh. Okay. At least this one over here won't get hit. Or not. Okay, whatever. It's like a Chonga line. For fun. Here's another crystal. See what they're doing.
Better attack.
Yeah, definitely. Let's go.
240 is not a bad time. He almost got a 230. We know what the only thing for a 230 is more cowbell, which is in the Honda. I did find, guys. I did find it. It's in the Honda, though.
It's another car.
Pretty sure.
What?
Yeah, it's in the other car.
Okay. up through here. Oh.
Close enough.
Really? Oh.
Although the rifleman will collect that GBE. Or continue.
Man. Oh, no.
Explosions.
I may have lost a few troops right there. There's no way getting around those shock mines.
Flare it in the middle. Yeah, right there. Alright, the shock mine. You'll have to reflare again.
Oh. This is like about to go out. Come on, land. They almost... Then free clear.
Crystal?
My brain's totally working. Totally.
Good hit.
252.
252! So if my victory screech is blah, 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 what's your victory screech? You're a Manic Panda.
I lost by once.
Dang.
No.
That was a good attack, though.
I know.
And what did they do to get... That was a fast time for them, too.
They did. Oh, they split with tanks. The riflemen. Basically did free.
Oh, they had shocks. You don't have shocks.
Oh.
You could get shocks.
Yeah. Ooh. We need to win 2 matches to
rank up.
Yeah.
2 in a row. You can do this. That's if you get 10 stars.
Yeah, I do get 10 stars.
When you think of hot, you might think about the tragic time you ate too much wasabi. Or about getting into your car on a summer day when it feels more like stepping into a sauna. But heat can work in your favor, like during Verizon Red Hot Deal Days. Get hundreds of hot deals on all your favorites, like iPhone 16 Pro with Apple Intelligence, Apple Watch Series 10, and iPad. Only until May 28th for new and existing customers.
Just go.
Feels like just the right amount of heat. Don't wait. These deals end May 28th. Only
let him eat.
Get Memorial Day savings now at the Home Depot with free delivery and up to 40% off. Plus up to an extra $450 off select appliances like Whirlpool. Store dinners.
The Warriors are just
coolers iced sports practice with the large
The Warriors see something else.
Whirlpool refrigerator from the Home Depot.
Do the same flare pass like you did before.
And just start going up. Please go visible. No, stop.
Go all the way to the top.
Ready to order.
Yes. We're earning unlimited
Because then
10% cash back
they're
on
out
dining
of
and
range.
entertainment with the Capital One
Oh,
Saver card.
sniper
So, let's just get
tower.
one of everything.
If I can speak.
Fire everything. The Capital One Saver card is at table 27 and
I
they're
go back
earning
over there.
unlimited 3% cash back.
Yes, chef.
Come on.
So nice.
Had a feeling
Come on.
you'd want 3% cash
Come on.
back on dessert.
Ooh,
You got it.
tiramisu.
Earn unlimited
236.
cash back on dining and entertainment with the Capital One Saver card. Capital One, what's in your
See
wallet?
what they're at.
See CapitalOne.com for details.
Let's go.
Aha! That's a win.
Hello? Oh. Sorry, there's one...
He's gonna get it too, watch.
Maybe. Oh, sorry, there's a few more troops over here.
Oh, they're coming.
They're...
Well, I mean.
I still win.
So again, then, a Manic Panda screech?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
I'll think of something.
You'll think of something?
Maybe, if I remember. Ooh. That's a lot of shock mines. Well, I'm going this way. Nope. You can take that out later. Almost perfect. And y'all can free clear. Is it just me, or does that the CML have like a night vision sniper?
I think so. It definitely sees them even though they're invisible.
It might be night vision.
You don't have to flare away from that thing. Flare away from that thing.
Flare.
We're on our way. Danger, Will Robinson. Bye-bye, troops. What a trap. That is such a trap.
Maybe I should do that.
Well, maybe you should. That's a good trap.
And no, flare, get away, get away. No, I lost. Heal. I lost to a stupid flamethrower trap.
Interesting.
No.
Okay.
Okay, just need to win one match. That was kind of smart, actually.
Yeah, just take that one.
I'll move this right here and have that shot grab over here.
Oh, excuse me.
No, perfect. You know what? Give me all these. I can just do this. Maybe I should put this in the center. Are these build mines? Should I leave them over here? Over here.
I would put the boom cannons along this edge.
But they can also just flare to this side, so I do like a...
Those are a one-time use, remember?
Yeah. Why is that? No, I don't... If you... Why are you not wanting to move? Alex go, landmine field. Because it is. I put that way, put that over there. I think that looks good.
Alright, go for it. You just gotta win one more. Well, get the chest. I mean, you need to win
You get the next
6 more to get the rank. Can you just flare from the back? Your guys are invisible. Just watch your flare. All the way to the back. All the way. Because everything's in the middle. You flare all past it. Flare again. Once I get up there, crystal shield. Boom. Shakalaka. Let him eat and then flare the last one. The hit. What a hit!
Your military service.
That's what I call getting a ranked chest.
321. Let's go.
We honor your service.
That's
with
what
a
I'm
veteran
talking
grant
about.
of 10% off undergraduate tuition and 15%
Nice hit.
off master's level.
Let's go.
And this benefit isn't just
That's a
for
victory
veterans.
scratch.
It extends to your entire family. No current enrollment required, just a connection to military service. American Public University. Value for the whole family.
I don't think this guy has
Learn
flares.
more at apu.apus.edu/military.
The doctor's office that accidentally mixed up
That guy's
your
gonna look at his base and go,
has your social security
what did
number.
I do wrong?
Mistakenly cut your service has your payment info. And the hotel that lost your reservation
Let's
has
go.
your password.
Let's go.
You need LifeLock because your personal info is in endless places that can expose
Now you got
your
some
identity thieves.
free stuff to...
LifeLock monitors hundreds of millions
how
of
many
data
chests do I
points
got?
every second. If your identity is
Almost got
stolen, we'll fix it.
3
Guaranteed to get your money back.
chests in a
I
row.
saved those last 2 for your iron.
Okay.
Because I think you can get it.
Ready to order.
Yes. We're earning unlimited 3%
Upgrade
cash back
whatever
on
you
dining
want,
and
whatever you
entertainment with the
planned.
Capital One Saver card. So let's just
that.
get one of everything.
Everything? Fire everything. The Capital One Saver card is at table
I think I'm gonna
27
get
and
True
they're earning
Health.
unlimited 3% cash back.
Yes,
Oh.
chef.
Forgot
This is so
about
nice.
Had a feeling you'd want 3%
We
cash
were doing
back
that
on
with
dessert.
no troop health.
Tiramisu.
Wow.
Earn unlimited 3% cash back on dining and entertainment with the
Okay.
Capital One Saver card.
Gonna
Capital
get
One. What's in
gumbo
your
energy.
Terms apply. See CapitalOne.com for
I
details.
might get shock bombs. I don't know yet.
Pretty decent. Because you like your free clearing. And those help when you... Those moments when you need to free clear.
Yeah, I'm definitely not grabbing tanks.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I'm getting shocks. Should I?
And that is a boost for either one of those troops. Whichever one.
I'll
I
go
chose...
rifleman.
Yeah, I chose rifleman. Just because they're the next... Going on to the next meta, when you keep going on to the next ERs, they're going to be more in play than... Or not. And who knows, maybe we're all missing out on Hidden Warriors right now, and we're missing huge opportunities. I'm just saying.
Okay. Yeah, I do have heavies, I'm just not using them. So I don't think they're good this season. Only if they're like a third damage right there. Okay, start battling. Okay. Starting right here. A flare right there. Once they start getting that chop. And boom. You know what, rifleman.
Flare. Out. Away.
Get away. That way.
Next DR. Where are you going next? Look.
Up there.
In the middle. Watch your flares. Time your shot.
Warriors mode. And get that. And boom.
ER. Let's go. Medkit.
There we go. 244. And they are down to 233, so I already won.
it looks like they got every one of your mines except for one of them. So if you...
Well, shock mines.
Nah. Well...
Also, they're using break. That feels like a trap. I mean, it is nice to have like the little bit of extra damage. Just the ability's not that great.
I don't know. Maybe she'll solo this all by herself.
I don't think.
If she had cluster grenade right now, she could shoot her cluster grenade and it would take out that. We've had some real fun with cluster grenade.
They retreated.
Yeah. Yeah. If she would
imagine she ran into the mine.
Oh well, for you guys watching. That's a missed opportunity. Cluster grenade right there, guys. Pop pop. Just saying. We've had some fun with that in the past. It works. Hey, 3 more, and you might hit rank 11.
So where we get?
He's in there.
Warhammer.
Interesting.
Oh, they left it right here.
Interesting.
I mean, up here I can just flare to here, go up there. You know what? That's where I'm going to go right now.
You just do it. You just do it.
And they go. Those guys are no. Well, my warriors are clearing out the mines. Go straight up there. Straight up there.
Shock, crystal shield.
Shock, crystal shield. Shocked my own guys.
Coming back down to the middle.
Flare out, flare out, flare out.
Flare out.
Then just go. Just go straight over there. Nope, come on. Go. Shock those 2 things. Flare. Okay, I got 245.
You got 244 last hit. You were second faster than your last hit, and that base was laid out weird.
Ooh. Okay. I lost 6 stars.
Oof.
Okay. That's interesting.
Again, send 1 boat of warriors over there, wait for him to destroy it, and then send everybody else. Flare him. He'll try to go the other way. And once your flare is gone, yeah, now you can send your troops out. Wait for the reflare. Look up here where you're reflaring. Up
Is
above,
that like,
above the sniper
yeah,
tower.
I'd snipe the. I mean,
Go.
Just like flare the sniper tower.
And then your troops will stand back here in the flames.
Oh, then I'd flare back over there.
And shock.
I'd shock all my troops.
Okay. Hit.
Crystal shield.
Now a shock.
And right there. There we go.
Oh, good hit.
And 3-3. That's really good.
That's what the boys like to see.
I don't know if they're even going to get a single ER out. I find they got 1 out, and they're.
Your damage amplifier placement there
It's really good.
It's really good. And then
Because I have like everything in this section listed.
You've gotten a lot of guys with that set up.
Because me, I try to have flamethrowers in the front, like as it is. Then damage amplifier to where I can hit everything. Sniper towers kind of in the back because they can shoot far. And machine guns everywhere else. And whatever else I have, like the mortar.
Alright, what mines did they miss over here? So you could consider moving those 3.
But also, if I move those 3, they can just like flare, like all the chips there flare.
Sometimes they won't.
That's also because there's some people that don't have flares yet.
Well, if it gets to be a consistent thing, every time you look at a replay and you say, okay, that mine is just not getting hit, I can move that to a spot that...
Well, it's also these things. These shot mines should.
Those guys should. Unless he flares around them.
I mean, those, like, stay, because I'm not moving that single trap.
Yeah, last time you only had 1 mine that wasn't hit. And
these guys are going to
You may consider just moving it 1 tile down. And... Why did you throw a mid?
Oh, they're stuck there, so they're healing.
That's a good idea.
Decent, but they're just going to get hit by the shot mines too.
Got another med kit to throw?
I think he's out of gumbo energy. Bro, I don't think he's going to make it. It's 56.
He should retreat while his troop is already down there. There you go. Thank you, sir. You were very kind. Well, lunch is over. We took a
decently long time.
Nice push, though. You did get rank 10, so you did move up a whole rank. Got pretty good. And the log doesn't look bad. Win, loss, win, loss, win, loss. Yeah.
Got 1 more win than loss. Bro. That's 2.
That's okay. That's how we go.
That's better than all losses.
Well, anyways, guys. Hey, we love you. Thanks for watching, and make sure you go tell someone else you love them today. It's an important part of your day, guys. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Bye.